So it's 2:19 a.m. and I'm here doing some schoolwork. Yeah, you know me in school. And I wanted to take a break from the whole thing because my brain did hurt me. So I'm gonna just reply to some comments. You see this comment right here? Big up yourself. Great minds think alike. It's as if you're reading my mind. As soon as I was done making that video, the first thing I did was this. I'll show you how I go on. This straight in my recycle bin. You know what I say? Because here I go, I get to understand, say, this plastic no good for you. You're never too old for learn. You live and you learn. And right now I'm slowly making the changes by changing up my plastic for glass. All my pots, I'm gonna change them out to stainless steel. Keep my Dutch pot and like my cast iron pot. These are better choices for a healthier home. So better you get that done sooner than later. And the comment again what me say, big up yourself, enough love. You see me? Yeah man, things like this I love see. Constructive criticism, you see me? Hope somebody else can see this and apply that to their household. Enough love.